Hi, in this video I will show you how to work with the relation view. First of all, I will take a pretty small project and then we can move to a bigger one. So this schema consists of like 1,000 lines of code, but for relations is a pretty small project because look, if I select an object in relation view here, like bundle, I still can see its children and parents on one screen. So this schema is pretty small for me. I will hide code right now to see even more and show you all the features. Sometimes when a node is bigger, you want to just filter the relations you want. For example, here I just want bundle, yeah. So I don't want to see other fields. So this is one feature. What else I can show you? Sometimes you want to see basic scalars. So you can turn them on like string, integer, and boolean, float, id. You want to see them, so you just turn them on. Sometimes you want to hide parent nodes and you want to see just children relations. And another thing is with enums, because by default they're shrink. They're shrink because when you have enums, they can be really big if you try to do localization. So if you try to do localization and you have big enums, they would take like the whole screen and 100 another screens because there are usually hundreds of fields in localizations. And these enums are pretty small, so I can show you how expanding works. It worked pretty good. Of course, if you scroll down and you want to refocus on your node, you click to focus. You can also deselect the node. Okay. What else I want to show you? You can export node to PNG, of course. So if you are satisfied with this view, you just click export to PNG, it's loading, and bam. My relation view is ready. You can. And this is the exported PNG, of course, without background. It's the browser's background right now. Okay, and let me deselect that, and those features like search and order are same as in creator view, so it's just filtering nodes. And thank you for this video, and I invite you to the next one.